Shares of JetBlue are higher today after falling nearly 7% yesterday when the company reported second quarter results showing a narrower loss than expected. The airline says leisure demand was more robust than anticipated, which helped lift revenue, but down 29% compared to 2019. JetBlue CEO Robin Hayes joins us now in a CNBC exclusive interview. Our Phil LeBeau is with us as well. It's good to see you, sir. Welcome to the Closing Bell.
Thanks very much. Great to be here.
So how would you characterize the current state of leisure travel as you're seeing it now? Some of the other airline CEOs have seemingly been pretty optimistic over the last week or so.
Yeah, no, we're incredibly optimistic. I mean, we guided quarter three revenues down between 4 to 9% over 2019 levels. So we've really seen a very, very strong recovery in all of our key leisure markets. And it's really been like that now for most of the summer.
So what about the Delta variant? What about the CDC news on the masks? How is that all factoring into what may be a wild card for the next several months?
Well, look, we've been living with this for a while now. What we have seen is for several months now is the vaccination is a really important catalyst for people to feel comfortable flying again. We've talked a lot about the pent-up demand for travel. That is still true. There's still a lot of people wanting to travel this summer that haven't. So I'm expecting the rest of summer to stay strong here. As of now, we haven't seen an impact with the Delta variant. Obviously, that's something we continue to watch for.
There was news today on the UK finally letting American and European vaccinated travelers come in without vaccines, or without quarantine. I know Wilfred, if he was here, would be asking you about this. You have had this big planned launch for August, but I think you've been scaling it down, Robin. So how much of a game changer is a decision like today, and how much will you need to see the Americans do something similar before you can look at returning to full daily service?
Yeah, no, first of all, it's great news, Sarah. I mean, how many times have I been on this show? We've been talking about this issue. So our flight is here. Our first flight goes to London out of JFK on August the 11th. It's great news. I mean, this basically opens up now the UK for Americans here and for expats living here. As a US airline, we always expected most of our business to come from this end of the route, so we're incredibly excited. We're going to fly our August schedule as planned. We've taken about 12 flights out of our September schedule, and then we're planning to fly a full schedule from October and November, providing we see that demand come back. So it's great news today, and we've already seen this morning our daily bookings to the UK double since that news was out.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.